Oh! Oh my god! Holy crap!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation.
They actually did it!
An Amber Alert has been issued by the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation on behalf of the Oliver Springs Police Department for 6-month-old Lila Boyd. Lila went missing from a residence in Oliver Springs, Tennessee this morning. She was last seen wearing pink pajamas. She may be in a dark blue 2016 Ford Explorer with temporary tag QGJ88B1 and a CarMax tag on the front of the vehicle. If you have seen Lila or have information regarding her whereabouts, please contact the 1800 TBIFNRB.
Oh my god!
The current time is 9:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
They actually toned it!
The following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were made at 8 p.m.
Oh my god!
Gainesville, it was mostly cloudy. 68 degrees, dew point 56, relative humidity 65%.
Well, gosh dang!